I've never been like a big fan of LA, but I've built many, many memories there. And I have great friends there. And a lot of them lost their homes. So many people, I can go on and on. My first movie I did with Dennis Quaid, I saw him evacuating his house on the news with tears in his eyes. And it broke my heart. And then I go on the internet and I watch these fire videos and I read the comment sections and everyone's like, yeah, it serves these celebrities right. I hope their house is burned down. And you see that?
Whoa.
That right there? That's why I hate poor people.
Oh my God.
Because they can't see past their own pain.